I want to discuss about fear of public speaking, a fear that many people suffer from. Why do we have this feeling? Can we cover our fear? Can the audience notice if we're nervous? How to not show our fear? Hi, I'm Nirmala Trisna from MC Bali. On my channel, I love to share various topics related to public speaking and tips on being a master of ceremony or MC. The big question is, why do we have this fear? Fear of public speaking. There are two thoughts. First, academic researchers said that this kind of feeling, this intense fear of public speaking, comes from evolution. In the past, way back then, like 100,000 years ago, when humans were threatened by large predators, living as a group was a basic survival skill, and separation of any kind would certainly mean death. Being alone on stage, being separated from our group, certainly brings out our primal fear. Another theory states that when we enter a state of social anxiety, which is common in public speaking, we become more able to pick up on angry faces. This phenomenon becomes something of a vicious cycle in the context of public speaking. When we start out nervous, no matter how many people are smiling or nodding along, we're apt to lock onto that one person who looks angry, which makes us even more nervous. We know that whenever we are nervous, we experience sweaty palms and dry mouth, and often struggle to get our words out. Trust me, stage fright is totally normal and acceptable. But what matters now is, how do we cover our fear? How can we act cool, ensuring we are perceived as a confident speaker? A study by Quantified Communications identified the key indicators of confidence and fear. They did it by comparing the most confident presentations in their database to the least confident ones. The findings are interesting. When it comes to showing fear, 3 metrics matter. What are they? Number 1, confident speakers exhibit more passion. The most confident speakers demonstrate 22.6% more passion than nervous speakers. Confident speakers exhibit the kind of energy and engagement that indicates they're really invested in their topic. A disengaged speaker is more likely to give a presentation that sounds rote and monotonous compared to the passion that is demonstrated by a confident speaker. Number 2, confident speakers offer more insight. Confident speakers incorporate, on average, 1.2 times more the insight of fearful speakers. More confident speakers are comfortable thinking about and discussing their topics in depth, and likely are people who have truly mastered the concept they're discussing. On the other hand, a nervous speaker may lose track of the more insightful information or may not be as well versed in the material as her confident counterparts. Number 3, confident speakers are more inclusive. Confident speakers use 46.9% more inclusive language than nervous speakers. They are using collaborative words and personal pronouns to help the audience feel more connected with the whole message. We can say that most confident speakers are community-oriented. and suggests that camaraderie-driven language can help nervous speakers build confidence. So we can see and feel the confidence or lack of confidence by three metrics: passion on the topics, quantity and quality of insights, and three, the use of words and language. Remember to articulate these three metrics. You are able to cover or show your stage fright. In order to be perceived as a confident speaker, here are the tips. If you're nervous, quickly think about and show your passion on the topics. Share your best insights with the audience. Be sure to include the kind of collaborative language that will help you and your audience feel like part of the group. So these are practical strategies that you can develop by being yourself and talk about the topics you fully understand. You will convince the audience that you are a confident and fearless presenter. You'll be able to cover your fear, and soon you'll find out that you really are a confident and fearless speaker. Good luck practicing. Let me know if you have any questions. Just write it down in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful. Like this video if you think it is helpful, and share it to anyone you think will need this video. Don't forget to subscribe to MC Bali channel. I'm Nirmala Trisna. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.